Hey everyone, welcome back to my vlog again. Today I will DIY my old iPad case. Let's start. First, bring some pictures of your favorite or anything you like. And then bring some stickers. Let's start decorate it. You can play some music during you do it. Not tightly attended, but it looks good. Almost finished. Finally, my final work. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
We are from EP at Chalermkwansatree. We want you to join